Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, been smoking on this weed. Told I'm gonna take
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to a brand new weekend. It is a brand new vlog, and I wanted to get into a series where I could just show you guys so much more of what's happening in Kingston. So I do live in Kingston, Jamaica, right? And I feel as if sometimes I do get messages on my Instagram asking, what's there to do in Kingston, yada yada yada. And I feel like I need to do that because I honestly I rarely go out all the time, but for specific days and specific events I do go out, and I love to eat, so I definitely go out a lot to eat. So we're gonna start off this series today. It's definitely not much. We're only going to number one, the beach, and number two, we're going to a restaurant in the mountain. And I'm sure a lot of people still don't know about this place. I actually did a vlog there a couple months ago, but we're gonna go back and we're gonna see if the vibe is still the same, the atmosphere, the food, all of that. So first off, if you're coming to Kingston, Jamaica, you gotta go to the beach. Now let me first say, the beach is not the greatest in Kingston, never. The beautiful beaches are in Negril, Portland. I think Portland is number one though, and Negril. It depends on preference. But yeah, so we're gonna start off with the beach first. It's called Waves Beach. It's in St. Catherine. So we're in Portmore. I am praying that the beach looks good today, or swimmable today, because the last couple times I went over there, the seaweed was so crazy, the water was just awful, you couldn't go into it. And I think I've videoed that before. It was just, and then it was so rough and windy and just everything that's just not great. So I'm hoping today's a good day, the beach is calm, and I can at least go in there and show you. So yeah, so beach and then restaurant in the evening. I think that's what this video is going to be about, and I may just add little stuff of what you guys can actually do. I wanted to go to Devon House because if you guys don't know, number one, you hear about the Tasty's Patty, right? But number two, you have a Devon House curry goat patty. It's chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. And it's in a triangular, is it triangle or pyramid? I think in pyramid shape, the patty. But we're gonna eat at the beach, and by that time, dinner's at 6 p.m. I actually booked a reservation. You don't have to book a reservation, you can show up, but it depends on the occasion. If it's a birthday, blah blah blah, you guys can book, and let them know so they can set up the place or the table for you. Very nice. But yeah, so we're all dressed for the beach. This is the fit. Let's head out to the beach.
told them drinks. It's on me.
So we went to the Waves Beach restaurant and bar that is in Portmore, St. Catherine area. They do have an Instagram, so I'll just post that there. So as soon as we got there, we were so hungry. We didn't eat any breakfast, so we wanted to just order our food immediately. So once you get to that section, they will put out the fish. You choose whatever fish that you'd like. They would wait, take all your other orders, and then after that's done, they'll give you the receipt, and then you will walk over to the bar section where they will tell you their bill. They will add it in the system, and then you will be advised of your bill. Now, when we were at the bar, y'all, we ordered some drinks, okay? That bartender, he wasn't bad. He was not bad. He did not disappoint at all. So while this bartender is making this awesome, perfect drink for me, I want to talk about the beach. So there is no entrance to go to the beach, and they do have parking on the inside. Please go ahead and follow their Instagram again. You do not need to pay any money for parking. The only thing you would need to pay for is the beach chairs, and it starts from $350 to $500 depending on which chair you want to rent. But I definitely recommend going early as 8 a.m. on the weekends that they open. Go there, purchase a chair, and then head right into the beach. I've been going to that beach area in Portmore for a while, and what I do recommend, the earlier you go, the better to swim. Between 8 to 10 p.m., the water is so calm, and you can definitely go into it. Once it touches afternoon, guys, The weather gets so bad, so windy, the sea is rough. So if you do want to swim, the water is not clear. Again, I didn't even get to provide you with a proper video, but as you can see, looking at this video right now, you can see seaweed along the shore line. They do clean it up, but again, the water is not great, but it's very swimmable in the morning time.
She's so cold, she can make crime on.
Treat you like a friend, respect you like a lover.
So this place is so perfect for a romantic time for you and your partner, or if you're having a birthday celebration with a group of people, it is also perfect. We had a great time here and the food was 10 out of 10. They also have hookah, guys, so just letting you know if you're interested in that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in another one. All right, y'all, so we just had dinner. It was lovely. Like, I definitely recommend this place. Right here they have the villas, as you can see up here. These are villas, they're on Airbnb, you can stay here. But let me show you guys a view. Like, the view is the best shit ever. Look at that pool and you're overlooking, you have a nice skyline view. It is perfect here. This is a building for the Airbnb again. You waking up to this gorgeous view, sunrise, perfect.